I'm Bryan Roach with East Coast Yacht Sales, and today we're in Newington, New Hampshire aboard a Sabre 42. This is a really cool hardback cruiser from Sabre. We've got STID Helm seats, we've got a pilot house door, and we have twin Yanmar 480 horsepower engines that push the boat around at about 24 knots. It's a really great layout for extended cruising for a couple or a small family. Today we're going to take a walk around and show you guys the boat. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're going to start in the Salon here. Off to port, we have a nice L-shaped settee here. Nice high gloss table, and this area does pull out into a pretty significant size berth. So a great spot for kids, or it's even big enough for another couple. Off to starboard, we have kind of an entertainment area here. We've got a flat screen TV, bunch of storage, lamp, bookshelves, and obviously tons of light through the windows here. You do have blinds that pull down up here for all the pilot house windows, create some privacy. And then forward, I think one of the highlights to me on the boat is the STID Helm seats. You know, the captain generally always has a nice STID Helm seat, or just at least a nice helm seat while underway, but the mate often doesn't. So this is a really good setup for couples cruising, or even a young family. Obviously mom and dad here, plenty of rooms for the kids back here, or guests. But particularly for the mate, this is a really comfortable setup. And then you also have a dedicated VHF and a dedicated chart plotter, which is really nice. Those of you guys who are already out cruising know how nice that is to have that second setup for entering ports you've never been to before. You can have the mate here kind of figuring out the details of getting in to the new port. And then over here, again, another nice STID Helm chair. And a feature that I think is really great about this boat is we have the pilot house door. It makes it really nice for short-handed cruising. You know, single-handing isn't really a problem here. You've got really easy access to the cleats down here. So obviously pulling up alongside by yourself to a fuel dock or tying up is going to be a lot easier. Just to be able to leave the helm and kind of go right out to the side decks there, rather than having to trace back out there. Depth, chart plotter, autopilot, VHF. The usual suspects, fan. The owner does have a secondary tablet here that he uses. And then we've got 4 steps down here to the sunken galley. It's nice here that this whole area here is open, so you get a ton of light down here. We got a propane stove and oven, 2-bay stainless steel sink. We do have a dedicated trash bin back here, storage underneath the sink. And then we have a size refrigerator here, microwave oven. Plenty of storage back here, above. And then we do have a secondary freezer back here. It's an ice maker, so plenty of room for extended cruising. Just across from the galley, we have a really interesting flex space here. So obviously now we've got it set down with the desk out, kind of a little bench there. So perfect little spot is like a little office here. But as you can see, we've got a curtain here too. And this settee does pull out to a double berth there. Table folds up. And then with this curtain closed, you do have a secondary stateroom there with some privacy. The secondary cabin isn't always going to be used for guests, so it's nice to have that more of a flex space. Moving forward here, we've got the master. Ventilation above. Plenty of drawers. Storage along the side. Coat racks. We do have a newer smart TV here. We do have a hanging locker. Good size hanging locker here. And then into the commode, electric flush toilet, sink, and a separate stall shower. And it's a good size shower, plenty of room in there. Walking forward, all the cherry on the inside of the boat's in great shape. Some flags. Owner does have Starlink on the boat. Got a ditch kit and some extra cushions for the Salon settee to pull that into a double bunk. All the hatches above have shade and bug protection. Now making our way outside, got the pilot house door here. So again, helm controls right here. We've got our throttle controls, and we have easy access to these spring cleats. We do have a Glendenning shore power cable here. Nice wide side decks forward, stainless steel cowls on the dorades, Lumar windlass, nice plow anchor there. 800 watts of solar up on roof here. Got a life raft, Starlink Garmin radar, wind indicator, fishing pole holders. Lucky Chicklette, some spring pollen on the boat. Down around the back here, into the aft cockpit area. The dinghy is in the water and the davits are removed, but there are davits for the back of the boat here for dinghy. We've got some folding chairs here for the deck, and then this seat back here does fold forward for additional seating while underway or at anchor. Propane line for a Magma grill there, and we've got propane storage in here. Ladder, and then storage here. Storage here as well. And then access to the lazarettes down here. If you have any other questions about the boat, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact info is below.